Now the worker is taking one pieces and then he will check it one by one. How about the quality of that? So any process, all our workers, each process workers will be checking the quality one by one. This is the process for die cutting. Our workers cut here and then every 500 pieces, he will take one for the quality check. This one is what he has the quality checked. Look, this is a good quality. And then all our processes will be checked. All our workers will be checked each item. Thank you. This machine, it's a flat die cutting machine. We have two kinds of machines. One is a roll die cut machine. Another is a flat sheet die cutting machine. Now the workers to take off every 500 pieces, he will take one of that and then check the quality. And this is the worker check the quality. After worker check the quality, our QC, she will also to be here every 1 hour. She will be the machine and then to check the quality. We have the ERP system. She has the phone number. The phone can see our design. It's on the phone, on our ERP system. And then she will check the design with the real products for the quality control. So our workers do the first quality control and the QC will be checked every hour one time for the second quality control. So to keep your products, it's 100% quality. Thank you.